Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're making keto turkey meatballs that are low in carbs but not in flavor. It's packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you on track with your keto goals. Best of all, they're really easy to prepare and don't require that many ingredients to make. Here's how to make them. Take out a large bowl and add 2 pounds of ground turkey. You can use lean ground beef if you prefer. Crack open and add 2 large eggs. Add half a cup of almond flour. Follow that with half a cup of grated parmesan cheese. Add half a cup of a diced yellow onion. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Lightly spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray to help ensure nothing sticks to your hands, and begin mixing your mixture until everything is combined. Once you're done mixing, preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a large baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and give it a light spray of oil. Scoop out about 1.5 tablespoons of your mixture and place it on your baking sheet. If you don't have a cookie scoop or a measuring spoon, your mixture should be around the size of a golf ball. Once you're done scooping, take your mixture and use your hands to form it into a ball. Repeat this process until all of your scoops look like meatballs. Bake it in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, check that your meatballs are fully cooked and remove them from the oven. Optionally garnish them with some fresh parsley, and you're good to go with your delicious and healthy keto turkey meatballs. These go great with other keto-friendly foods such as keto bread, cauliflower rice, or in a salad. They'll last 3 to 4 days in the fridge in an airtight container. You can easily scale the recipe if you want to make more or less meatballs, making them great for dinner or for meal prep throughout the week. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions or if you intend to make this recipe. Thank you all for the support, and I hope you look forward to the next video.